I think everybody knows what this is. Flash drives have been a top promotional product for years. I want to talk about what some of our clients have used them for. One of our clients is a photographer who sends his clients a flash drive loaded with the photos that he took at their event. He used to do this with flash drives he bought from an office supply store. Now the flash drives have his logo and are packaged in a beautiful custom box. For him, these flash drives are not just advertising swag, but a tool for his business. A lawyer we know was tired of printing mountains of paperwork for his clients after house closings. Instead, he loads everything onto flash drives with his logo, website, and phone number. Pharmaceutical companies use flash drives for their sales reps to provide physicians with educational materials covering their products. We preload the data so they're shipped ready for distribution. Drive your brand by distributing flash drives at trade shows, equipping your sales force, and as gifts to valued customers. At Factory Level Promos, we offer flash drives in all shapes and sizes, from 1 gigabyte to 64, to fit your exact needs and budget. We know there are many places for you to buy your promotional flash drives, but at Factory Level Promos, everything we sell comes directly from the factory, giving you access to factory level pricing and factory level customization.